Hello and welcome to the next class. Now I'm going to start up with the Ascii values. Let me open up first with the Notepad++ where we are going to write our coding. In our Ascii values, first I have to import my header files. Import space java dot lang dot star. This is going to be the header files, and I have to save this file with the name Ascii. So I'm going to save it. Save as in my Java programming with the name new. This is the folder where I'm going to save, and I'm going to write it as ascii.java. This is the file name, and this is going to be the class name too. Then my next header is import space java dot util dot star. I had already mentioned the import statements, so I'm going to move with my class. Public space class space Ascii. Ascii is my class value and also my file value. Public static void main. This is always be included for the string arguments. So string space args. Then let me declare the value for declaring the Ascii values. Int I. To get that, I'm going to get a character char a. I'm going to assign a loop, for loop I is equal to 1 semicolon I is less than or equal to 255 semicolon I plus plus. This is going to be the loop which is going to execute, and I'm going to shift up with my codings. Then with the tab, for a is equal to character of I. This is how we can get the char value, and to print that, system dot out dot println. Here I'm going to print it out. I is the number which we are going to get. With that, I'm going to give up a column name. With that, I'm going to concatenate all the values. Then I'm going to get the values here as a, the character where it is going to get, and here I value will be printed out. Then by concatenating it with the a value where the character has been declared, this is how it is going to printed. And now I'm going to close my loop and my public static void main and my class. This is the way for declaring the Ascii values with the general Java codings. How to save this and move on to the command prompt for the execution part. D colon, changing my location where my program is held, and I'm entering into my folder, getting out my batch files and compiling my coding dot java. If there is an error, I'll get the error declaration there. Since it is compiling, yeah, it has 3 errors, and I is the value how it is going to get. Yeah, since I is the number, I should have a close braces near the character declaration. So I'm going to rectify my error with this. Yeah, my error is cleared. I'm compiling again. After saving, we have to compile our program. Yeah, there is no error, so I'm going to running it out. Java space ASCII, enter. This is the Java coding for displaying the ASCII values for the numbers from 1 to 255. This is how we can do a program for the display of ASCII values, and this is the end of the ASCII programming. Thank you for listening. Meet you in next class.